How's it going, guys? Dale from Regin products, and we have another product finally released, the tubing cable storage bag REGR08. This bag has been, well, we've had thoughts about making a storage solution for drain down hoses and cables for quite some time, and we finally came up with this one. Perfect material as well. The material is like an Oxford style material. It's not the sort of standard cheap material that you get on other bags. It's water resistant as well. And we'll look inside, and I've already put in a drain down which you can store, the multi drain down, and of course a full size 10-meter hose as well. So most likely this will also fit a 20-meter if you've got that one as well, or a 15-meter. There's plenty of room left in there once you've actually got your tube or cables in there. In fact, when I had the drain down and the multi drain down in there, there was plenty of room left to put other things in there. So the zip's fantastic quality. As I say, all of it's water resistant inside, so it's got a coating where the water will just fall off it. Very good woven handle for carrying, or you can just obviously hook it up inside your van and then just take it off when you're ready to go in to do a job. And yeah, there we go. So it's the REGR08. I believe the price at the merchant will be about £10.75 plus the VAT, so it's very competitively priced. And yeah, it's now available, guys.